So you might have looked at my previous video and wondered if that's just entirely false, because it seems a bit of black magic to think that this analogy of a ball kind of going down this sort of Plinko setup has anything to do with a binomial expansion, expanding brackets essentially. And I want to kind of show that to you in such a way that it's easy to kind of compare that the binomial formula that I've shown you here and regular expanding brackets, they're pretty much incongruent. And how I'm going to do that is by expanding the bracket x plus 1 cubed. So if I do it just the normal expanding brackets way, then what I end up getting is that'll be x plus 1 times x plus 1 squared, which equals x plus 1 times this squared will give you x squared plus 2x plus 1. And then expanding this out, we get x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. That's using method 1. So yeah, I'll call this method 1. Method 2 is by using the binomial expansion. So if we let a be x and b be 1, so a, remember, is any time that we're moving to the left, and b is the number of times that we move to the right. Now, sometimes I get them confused, but it actually does work the other way around. It's just best to just have a consistent system. Yeah, so anytime we're moving to the left, that's a, and anytime we're moving to the right, that's b. So x plus 1 cubed. That's equal to, firstly, 3 choose 0. This is moving no amounts to the right, so that's going to be x cubed. Plus, on row 3, move to the right once. So we're going to have 1 multiplied by the amount of left squared. Plus 3 choose 2. That's 2 movements to the right, so that's going to be 1 squared times x. Then plus 3 choose 3, that'll just be 1 cubed. Technically times x to the 0, if I want to be very pedantic about my notation. So if you were to work out all the binomial coefficients, you would get x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. Which is exactly the same as our result from before. So even with this relatively simple example, it does actually show that this formula does work. And I will show you a slightly more complicated example in the next video.